What's up, everybody? It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome again back to my channel where it's all about car detailing, nothing but good vibes. You guys already know by now, I'm down here in Florida, super hot, sun is always out, so I decided to purchase a canopy. Question is this the best canopy for car detailing? Let's find out. Alright guys, I got this off Amazon. It's actually Eagle Peak, 12 feet by 12 feet. Alright guys, after that quick setup, hope you guys enjoyed that. As you can see, I'm 6'2", I can walk right under, so the height is pretty good. I would say, as mentioned before, it's a 12 foot by 12 foot. Those are the dimensions, so I can walk right under. I'm 6'2". You can see we have sufficient space on each side for a sedan at least. Let's see, can open the door. So as I'm saying, when you're walking around with your hoses and your equipment, I think you have enough room to pass. Obviously, you'd have to watch out for these legs. But let me say I had a 10 by 10 before, and that was really tight. This 12 by 12, woo! 2 feet extra on each side. Makes a big difference, guys. It's pretty easy setup. These are quick releases, are pretty cool. The actual canopy itself is made of like a reflective material, so the sun kind of bounces off. When you're setting up, if you can see that knob up there, all you do is kind of like hold it, press it, and it will click into a mechanism right there. So the setup is really easy, guys, and I would say thumbs up. Eagle Peak 12 by 12 canopy should be available on Amazon. If you don't know, guys, like, subscribe, share everything, all of that. Another video by Clean Car Chris. Mad.